obviously I'm going to do a magic trick. I'm going to have a little bit of a story with this one.
I'm Ensign Bolton, Warship officer on the ship. Today,
reflecting on my time on board, it's been quite the exciting journey. When you've devoted your life to the mission day in and day out, leaving and knowing you're not coming back, that's hard to do. But that's the life we live. You dedicate yourself to the mission every day, not knowing what battle the next day is going to bring.
What team?
So here I was, on my last day. As I was walking to leave, I saw my team waiting for me, a long line at attention. Standing in front of them at that moment felt surreal. I'm grateful for every person that served by my side that tour. So here was the last moment as they wished me farewell.
One team, one family.
As of this very moment, this brave team of mine is now on another deployment. I know without a doubt they will conquer every adversity. This is Lieutenant JG Patrick Bolton, signing off, USS Ronald Reagan.